Welcome to the new episode of Statistical Computing. In this session, I am going to show how to find a mean value if the cumulative frequencies are given. So, we will understand the question. Find the mean for the following table. The values are classes are given in the format as more than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 40 and more than 50. So according to this class format, I will first arrange the class. So according to the class, more than 20. So normally we got the class like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. But this is more than 10, right? So the 10 is the lower limit and the upper limit is not given. You have to decide. So the second class I will write as more than 20. So 20 to something, 30 to something, 40 to something and 50 to something, right? So as per more than 10, so more than 10, according to this, if you observe the frequencies are increasing values are given, but in the descending order. Let's say the more than 50, the frequencies is 10 and the previous value is increased by 8, so it is 18 because it's more than 40. So in more than 30 it is 24, more than 20 it is 28 and more than 10 it is 30, right? So you can find this value right in this format. Okay, so more than 10 is considered, the upper limit is not given and the value 30 is highest compared to other values, so that can be considered as the 30 frequency values, which includes all the frequencies of other classes, because more than 10 which consider as 10 to n values and the last n values is 50 and more than that, so that n is infinite in this case. But the second class is given as more than 20. So normally we arrange the class in the continuous order, like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So the second class of lower limit is given. So I will make it 10 to 20, right? Because we have to make it continuous class, so we have to arrange 20 to 30 because the 30 is the next class lower limit. 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60, right? Because the 10 gap is given, the class limit has given. So according to that you have to change the frequency value, because the frequencies of last class is 10, right? So which is more than 50. So according to that I will write the last value, right? Because the value is given in that, let's say, the descending order. So last to first you have to arrange. So the first value is the last value is the minimum value compared to other frequency, which is 10. So 10 and the previous value is 18. So 18 minus 10, the difference is 8. 24 minus 18, which difference is 6. 28 minus 24 is difference is 4, and 30 minus 28, the difference is 2. Now the more than 10 value, so the highest value, which is 30, and if you find the total it should be same, right? So 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 6 is 24, 24 plus 4 is 28, plus 2 is 30, right? So it is match the value 30 and the highest value of the frequency. So the same thing, the reverse procedure normally we follow to find the median in case of cumulative frequency. So the last cumulative frequency and the total of frequency should be matched. So here the values are given in reverse order, so that the first value of the frequency and the total of the frequency should be matched in this case, right? So now my classes and frequencies are arranged. So as per this values, I have to find the mean. So I will select the formula as sigma x bar is equals to sigma fx into n, right? Okay, so I have to find the x value as per the class, right? So the mid value of the class, so 10 to 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, divide by 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 divide by 2 is 15, next class 25, 35, 45 and the 55, and I have to find fx value. So 15 into 2 is 30, 25 into 4 is 100, 210, 360, 550. So the total of sigma fx is 1250. Now I'll put the value. So sigma fx value is 1250 divided by n is 30, right? So the x bar, that is 41.666, so that will be considered as 41.67, right? So thanks for watching my video. We'll meet soon in the next session.